How to log into Wells Fargo credit card online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's session, I'm excited to guide you through the process of accessing and managing your Wells Fargo credit card through your online banking account. So by simply logging into your account, you gain the power to efficiently oversee your credit card activities, whether it's making payments, requesting a replacement card, or addressing any other essential tasks that may arise. So it's worth emphasizing that unlike some other bank institutions, Wells Fargo integrates all of your credit card functionalities seamlessly within your online banking interface, creating a streamlined and convenient user experience. Enter Wells Fargo credit card login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then click on the initial one that is indicating Wells Fargo Visa credit cards and MasterCard. Click on it. This will take you to the official website of the Wells Fargo. Click on the sign on button in the top right corner of the screen. It will again take you to the login portal. Now simply enter the username in the first field, followed by the password in the second field, and click on Save Username if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future logins. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. Now in the case if you have forgotten your username or the password, click on the Forgot Username or the Password option in order to successfully retry or reset your credentials. For that, you have to simply enter or provide the SSN or the ITIN number, and then click on Continue and follow the on-screen instructions for further. After successfully logging into your account, you will be able to access your credit card section and from there. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.